So critics in advertising. See, critics means yesterday we have seen what are the effects of advertising and consumer demand. So consumer demand, maybe it may be positive, it may be negative. Okay, depending upon the consumer behavior, depending upon the mentality of a particular consumer. So in the same manner, critics and advertisements, some advertisements are really very good, which gives us the social message, which help us to motivate ourselves. But some advertisements are not good for the Indian society. Now, why I'm saying Indian society? Because those advertisements may be accepted in the other part of the world, but for us, for India, and for Indians, it may not be acceptable. So that advertisements are critics. Okay, that means we will be finding out the negative points in the advertisements. What are the negative things in the advertisements? Okay, so that is what is the critics is. The act or art of analyzing and evaluating, judging the quality of the literally. That means of artistic work, musical performance, art exhibit, drama, production, etc. Okay, that means whatever advertisements we are seeing, from that we will be pulling out the negative points. We will be identifying the negative points, what is good and what is bad. Okay, so we will be seeing all these things. The performer, we may not like the illustration, we may not like the music, we may not like the art, we may not like the concept, we may not like the models, we may not like the voice, anything. Okay, again it is depending upon one customer to the another, one individual to another. So because each one of us are having our own perspective to view the things, isn't it? हर एक का अपना एक कॉन्सेप्ट है देखने का. I may be thinking in some other another way, you may be thinking in some other way. So all these are having critics in advertising. Okay, but here again I will be saying critics are always good to improve. If you want to improve yourself, ask your friends, ask your family members, ask who is very close to you to give the negative feedback of yours, that what is bad in you, not what is good in us. हमेशा हम क्या करते हैं, मेरे में क्या अच्छा है हम ये देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, नहीं मेरे में क्या बुरा है, where I am lacking. We should always see to this. Okay, moving ahead. Okay. So first is materialistic value. What does the advertisement give? See, some advertisements are totally materialistic. Okay, that means they don't have the feelings in that what they are expressing. They don't have some ethics, they don't have some values, they are just publishing the ad. Whatever advertisements we are seeing in the televisions, in the newspapers, in the magazines, wherever, in any form of media, that gives us some materialistic value, not the real value. Okay, here I will. So here they have shown that a lady is not at all having the feeling for the husband. Okay, she is just comparing an individual and human being with a product, isn't it? So these such type of advertisements are not good because this will affect the normal routine of a particular lady. Okay, a normal housewife. So we want to sell the product, that is true, but these advertisements merely shows that it is a totally materialistic advertisement. Moving ahead, violence. Okay, some advertisements they show violence, but not directly, indirectly. People may they may take use of such advertisements. They may uh, think in the same direction in the way the advertisements are showing. For example, your TV serial, we can say the Crime Patrol or CID. Hope many of you are maybe watching it, isn't it? आप किसी के भी घर में चले जाओ आपको दिखेगा ही वो, या तो CID लगा के रखा हुआ है या तो क्राइम पेट्रोल लगा के रखा हुआ. Okay, now what happens, see these programs are just to make us aware. isn't it? So it is just to make us aware about the crime and what is going or what is surrounding us. But yes, people may take misuse of this. People may misguide themselves by viewing these advertisements. होता है ना, कितने सारे हमने देखा है कि क्राइम्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो उनके जो सीख होती है या जो वो दिखाते हैं हमें उसको फॉलो करते हैं. पीपल फॉलो देम, द टेक्निक्स, the crime techniques some people follow. So this is what is the violence in the crime. Okay, some advertisements provoke the human beings or the individuals towards the crime, towards the violence. ये होता है. Okay. Next is surrogate advertisements, that is substitutes. When we see the advertisements, we know each and every product has a substitute. If you are talking about your FMCG goods or you are talking about your durable goods, any damn thing, we know that each and every product has a substitute. Okay. But for soap or Colgate, they can directly compare the things with each other. But here, when I'm saying about this type of products which are not good for the health, which is harmful for our health. For example, your alcohols, these products cannot be sale directly. So what they are doing, they are finding out some substitutes. Okay, see, if I am promoting Kingfisher soda, but we know that Kingfisher has the other brands also, so it is also a indirect comparison. It is also showing you the brand which relates to different products on a particular. In India, we cannot directly promote alcohol in India. Okay, other countries we can promote alcohols also. So majority of the company, how they have find their way, they have found out with the soda, because for promoting soda, no one is going to ban you, isn't it? So from this way, we will be promoting the brands. Next is vulgarity. As we know, many ads are showing us vulgarity. Again, especially in India, these things are banned. People cannot promote or people cannot advertise vulgar advertisements. For example, axe advertisements. When we are talking about axe advertisements, when initially the axe has launched the product in India, so they were promoting in the same manner, means the illustrations, the motions were as it is, as they were giving us. After that, the Indian board for advertising, that is ASCI, the standards, they have stopped such advertisements. They said you can promote your brand in India, but not the illustrations and the motions. The story will be, and the models, the concept will be based on the Indian society. That should not harm the Indian culture, the Indian values. Okay, here again, I will show you the example for this. Yeah, people, majority of the people are having their own, means one individual TV, and people are viewing with their family members, and they may not prefer or they may not like to see such type of advertisements by sitting with their family. Yes, as you have said, the ma'am, second one, third one is more worse, fourth is more worse. So this such type of advertisements goes. Okay, so these type of advertisements we cannot see, we cannot sit with our parents, we cannot sit with our family members and view these advertisements. So they have banned such advertisements. Next is undue influences. Okay, advertisers or the ad agencies, they show some unethical ads. Okay, that has undue influences. Undue influences means they will not directly affect the mind of the customer, but yes, indirectly they will definitely affect. Okay, so these untruthful ads, these unethical ads, that affects to the society in a negative way. The messages which goes to them, that goes in the negative way. For example, during the time of elections, so when one party's advertisements are coming or one party is promoted more, then the another party, they may not like it, and the conflict may go on. जैसा for example, आपने वो नायक मूवी देखी होगी. So how there the politics has provoked for the fight, isn't it? So such type of advertisements are not good. For example, now the situation of COVID. So while viewing at the newspapers, by television news, people were scared to move out because इतना ज्यादा उसको provoke किया हुआ था. People were scared. They were not ready to move from their houses. So that is what is the undue influences. Rather than supporting the people, rather than convincing the people, we were in a fear. The situation was so horrible that we even don't want to see the face of our neighbor who is staying beside. So these all are undue influences. Next is unhealthy competition. As I have always said you, competition should be a healthy competition. But some ads gives unhealthy competition. Okay, that means one of the advertisements, for example, your Sushant Singh. Everyone knows Sushant Singh. He's no more. Okay, but that was means the इतना ज़्यादा promotion हो गया उसका, इतना ज़्यादा वो famous हो गया, that has lead to the unhealthy competition. Because people who were already existing in the market, they thought they are losing the market. Isn't it? So these things happened, and unfortunately we have lost Sushant Singh, a good actor. So such type of advertisement should not be there. Such type of promotion should not be there. See, when we are talking about this, you have seen the trend. Any song or any actor or any actress, when they initially they are launched, they people will promote like anything. है ना, कोई नया song आया होगा, so that song will be promoted, मतलब for a month, 2 month, 3 month, जहां जाओगे आपको एक particular वही song सुनने में मिलेगा. And what happens after that? That song is out of the market. But yes, the people who are connected to that, they face the problem, isn't it? So this is what are the critics in advertising.